In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team in Asana. Asana is a powerful tool for managing teamwork and organizing projects, and creating a team in it is a breeze. So let's dive right into it and get you set up in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to navigate to the Asana website by opening your browser and entering appasana.com in the address bar. Once you're there, if you haven't already logged in, you'll need to enter your email address. This email should be the one associated with your Asana account, as that's how Asana recognizes you. After entering your email, click on Continue. This will prompt you to enter your password. Type in your password carefully, making sure it's correct to avoid any login issues. Once you've filled in your password, click Login. Now you're inside your Asana homepage, which is your main hub for all ongoing projects and tasks. From here, find and click on Team Workspace or just Workspace in the Asana interface. This is where you can manage various teams and collaborate with your team members. In the Members section, find the option to View All. This will give you a comprehensive view of everyone connected to your workspace. Next, you'll want to click on Invite Members. This crucial step is where team creation truly begins. Entering the email addresses of those you'd like on your team is next. It's a good practice to use the same email addresses that your new members use for their Asana accounts to ensure seamless integration. After entering the email addresses, you'll see an option to Add a Project. Choose this to connect specific projects to your new team. Assigning projects right at the start helps your team see what's priority and increases productivity. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click on Send. This sends out the invitation for them to join your team. If you prefer, you can choose to directly click on Invite during this process for a more streamlined approach. There's also the option to handle this from within a specific project. Simply open any existing project and click on Share. Enter the email addresses again and make sure to select an access role or permission so the new members know their level of responsibility and access within the project. Finally, click on Invite. This sends another round of invitations, directly connecting them to your project and team in Asana. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've created a team in Asana and set up your collaborative efforts to take flight. Enjoy managing your tasks and seeing productivity soar with your newly formed team.